Action! Sound quality can make or break a film. So today, I'm going to give you hints on how to record audio. Let's do this! Make sure you turn off all electrical equipment, or you'll get a strange hum on your sound recording. Like this. See? If you're filming outdoors, it's best to recce your location to check out how noisy it is before you shoot. It's best to wait for any trains, planes, and automobiles to pass by before hitting record. All cameras come with their own built-in microphones. These are mainly designed to record action close to the camera.
It's good to keep this in mind when recording your actor's dialogue.
What did he say? Huh? What?
See what I mean?
You can fix this problem by hiring an external microphone. You can get a mic that you attach to an actor's body. This is called a radio mic. This is good for recording dialogue. Or you can get a boom mic to record a broader range of sound from your film set. And that's how to record good sound!